Meaning of given that.
Given that.
Given that.
Given that.
Given that. Given that is a common phrase used to introduce a condition or assumption in a statement. It implies that the information following it is dependent on a certain set of circumstances or background knowledge. For example, a sentence starting with given that might read, given that she has a cold, she won't be able to attend the party. In this case, the condition of having a cold is crucial to understanding why the person cannot attend the party. Given that allows for clear communication and ensures that all parties understand the context of the statement.